stop. Keep on, I said it ain't gon' stop. It ain't gon' stop, it ain't gon' flop. Stop acting like we ain't so hot.
What's going on, people? This is Inflewence and I'm back. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the AmpliFi HD mesh wireless mesh system for your home. This creates a wireless system throughout your whole house. If you got a big house, or if you got dead spots and you can't get to, where your Wi-Fi doesn't work and it can't get to it, this is what this is for. There's a million different ones out there. Really, I think I only looked at like 5, but there's a lot of different companies out there. Google has one. I hear good things about it. I don't know anything about Google. I know about Google, but I don't know about Google's actual mesh system. So I just wanted to do this quick unboxing. It's very unorthodox. I'm not in my normal space. Don't have it set up, of course, but I'm about to hook this up, so I just want to unbox it for you and show you what's going on. So right off the bat, it's a nice presentation. I know a lot of tech people, including myself, are into that type of stuff. A lot of people say, well, what are you talking about? But so you got some AmpliFi branding on the side. Got this little pull tab, so I assume, I don't know if I'll pull it this way. Yeah, so you just pull it out. Hopefully it's not upside down, it doesn't flip open. So it's just on the sleeve. It's really nice. Nice branding, nice box. So now, I'm assuming we got the little, I think it's magnetic. Yeah, this is a really nice presentation. Open it up and see what you get. You get this system. You got the router, and the one thing about this is it's really nice looking. So I know some people are turned off because you have to plug in the extra antennas. They don't look bad though, but it does take another plug. So fortunately, my house has 50,000 plugs. So yeah, you get 2 of these. You can buy just the router itself, and I'm not sure, I think that boosts the system, but like I was saying, the router is really nice. So this is something that you could like display, and it has a touch, before I misstalk, I don't know if it has a touch screen, but it does have an LCD screen that you can control some stuff with, and it looks really nice. It's really really well done. You got the inputs in the back, Ethernet cable, you got 4 outs, you got the charge and a USB. So here's the second receiver, for lack of a better term, and you get the cord, the power cord. Even the power cord is nice. It's reminiscent of Apple product. Regardless of how you feel about Apple, their presentations are always great. They do good presentations. So it's an experience. That's what a lot of people like. I like this. And I believe, the Ethernet cable, which I don't know what cat it is. Hoping it's cat 6 or better. I would assume so, but I mean, some people say it doesn't matter. Some, I don't know. But you get the books. I'm about to go through here, look at the books. So yeah, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. This has been the AmpliFi HD unboxing. As you can see, it's a pretty nice unboxing. I'm gonna hook it up, probably give a full review later. Hopefully I can get my review space together in the next couple weeks. So I'll probably be doing videos on the fly like this though until then. Alright, so
hip hop, I feel I gotta say, who am I? You might say influence, and I spit better than most in this game.